Good morning, children. Today we are looking into our new lesson, surfing the internet. Okay, what do you mean by internet? That is, it is a connection of network. That is the intersection of many networks. Okay, so that is why it is called internet. The name internet means it is the international network of computers. What is it? International network. What do you mean by international? We are able to connect to many countries. That is, from here if you send a mail to someone in London or someone in Dubai, someone in Singapore, it will immediately reach. That means, how is it reaching? That means it is reaching because of this network. Okay, so the network of networks, or it is also the international network. So only it is called as inter. The first 5 words are taken from the international, inter, and the next 3 words are taken from the network. So international network. So a network means what? It is an interconnection between 2 or more computers. That is, we are taking 2 or 3 computers and then we are going to connect them together. Okay, say in your case, take the example of our family. Okay, we are all interconnected individuals. Okay, if you say the family name, we can say he is the father, he is the mother, then there is the brother and there is a sister. So all they are all interrelated. Now likewise, interconnected computers is called a network. So the network, the internet means the network of networks. That means there are millions of computers, okay, which are connected across the world, and then we are mainly able to share the information with just a mouse click. Now, because of this advent of internet, we are saying the world is too small, and now we have termed a new word called global village. That means what? Within a second, you are able to get the news. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you are able to send the mail or greetings or whatever you want to. You are all staying interconnected because of this internet. So, we are able to give a new meaning or a new term called global village. Okay, that is, the whole world is treated as a village because of this internet facility. How is this internet started, or what is the brief history of internet? So in 1969, okay, we know that our Neil Armstrong, the US astronaut, landed on moon. Okay, so the US Defense Department set an advanced research project, okay, for researching. What did they did? They did a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data, mainly to share their data. So this network was called ARPANET. So that was because it was developed by Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So ARPA net. So Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Then many industries were allowed to join into this network and they started to share the information. So this was the beginning of the networking of computers. This started to grow day by day and it gave birth to the internet, where our life is totally changed. Okay, earlier the internet was used by engineers, scientists and only computer experts. But nowadays this internet is easily available to anybody and any general public. Okay, they are sending the messages and they are creating their own files. Okay, and now this internet is not only now available in computers, we now it is available through our 4G network also. That means through our Android mobile phones, we are able to connect to the internet. Okay, so in August 15th, 1995, okay, internet services started in India, okay, by the government owned company called VSNL. VSNL is the previous version of our BSNL, okay. Then slowly private internet service providers like Airtel, Reliance, Sifi, Tata Sky, everything started their own internet services. Okay. Now what are the popular services? First one is World Wide Web, that is www. We type that and then we put one dot and then we can give our own our own website name. So that is what it is. Website name will be after this www dot. Okay. So with the browser like Netscape, Internet Explorer, you get the information. Okay. So all the public websites are connected to the worldwide. Okay. And then these are all called the URLs. The websites are identified by the short, unique, global identifier called URL, like www.google.com. Okay, and this will contain a bunch of pages called web pages, and each page can contain text, graphics, video, audio, and any link. Okay, then coming to e-commerce. Simple, our Amazon. E-commerce means we are able to buy any product using our network or our internet. Okay, all the commercial activities are taking place over internet. It is able to shop. We are able to shop from our home. All the tickets, clothes, electronic items, books, gifts, etc. Okay, and what are all the possible websites we have? Flipkart, Myntra, Make My Trip, OLX, everything. Chatting, you know what is chatting because of our WhatsApp. So a chat is an online conversation, okay, over the internet. Okay, and 2 and 4, that is you can send the message and immediately you can get the reply. Okay, so these are the various types of chats. What are the chats we have? We have Talk, we have the Messenger, we have the Skype. Okay, and we have to register in the chat rooms, and then you can form our own groups like our friends, relatives, celebrities, and you can talk with them. And video conferencing. Video conferencing has become very, very popular because of this corona lockdown and shutdown. That is, we will be at our own places and we are all getting connected through the video. Okay, that is what. The video cameras are connected to 2 or more computers, and then it is all connected to the internet where we are having face-to-face conversation. Our video call through our WhatsApp. Then the social networking sites. We have many social networking sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay, so all these are nothing but a group of users, okay, who share common interests, like we are the cricket fans of Virat Kohli, something like that. So they all will form a group. So they will be having a community. They will name the community with some name, and they will be communicating among themselves, and they can even rise up for a good cause. Okay, so you can invite a new friend, you can share your interests, etc. So we have Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn, Hi-Fi, etc. are the popular chatting sites. Then we have e-banking. E-banking, we know all the banking networks, all the banks are providing this. That is, we can put the money, we can check the balance, we can withdraw money, doing all through our e-banking. And then we have the internet. How are we using the internet? We have to write the web address or the URL, and it will take to that particular web address. Okay. Then how are we searching the information? We have the search engines like Google or Bing or Yahoo. Whichever website you go, you can give your keyword. Okay. And then if you type search, it will go and pick and come all the related informations or the URLs. And then you can select whether you want images or you want URLs or you want videos, anything. Then coming to email. Email means it stands for electronic mail. That is, we are sending the mail. We are writing, that is composing. We are storing and sending and receiving the mails. Okay, through electronic device. Okay, it is the fastest way of sending the mails, and everywhere you should have one address. Okay, what is the address? That is called the email address, and each email address should be inside a website like Yahoo or Gmail or Rediff. Okay, how are we going to use this email facility? You know that you just open your email using your username and a password. Okay, then you will be going inside. There you will be having the compose button. Compose button is to what? Write a new mail. And after writing the new mail, you have to give the subject, and then you will be having the recipient name. So when you supply both the information, the mail will be ready to be sent. If you click the send button, it will be going. If at all you want to attach a photo or a video, you click on that attach button, that is the gem click button. Okay, you will be having a button that you have to click on that. You can attach the file and then you can send it across. Okay, and if you receive a mail, it will be there in the inbox. Okay, and all the sent mails will be there as a copy in your sent folder. And then if you have forgotten to send it, you have made a draft and you have not sent it, that all will be lying in the draft folder. And there is a folder also called the junk folder, where all the unnecessary emails would be blocked there. Okay, and you can reply the received mail, and you can even forward the mail also. Okay, you have a separate button for that. Accordingly, you can use it. Then you can add a signature. Signature means what? Your own signature at the end of each mail. If you say go to the settings, and you can personalize your signature. And if you finished all your work, you can sign out. Okay, so go through this. Okay, in the next class also I will be going through all this small data. Before that, you can go through one of your mail accounts and check what is happening. Okay, if you have any doubt, please message in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.